I recently learned that people are not super familiar with this, and it's super helpful, which is inbound enrichment, meaning those inbounds that you get through a form submission on your website. You can pretty much do the job of an SDR straight away, automatically, and pretty much connect with the lead without any delay. I had a client recently that their leads were waiting for 3 days to get a contact, and this is not ideal. So I'm actually going to show you how I set this up, and this may be helpful for some of you. So let's jump right into this. For this particular example, I'm going to show my own stuff, and it's just for the sake of security and so on. But I'm actually show my framer, but you can do this in pretty much any website builder, right? So this is my own framer. In the forms, you can actually send the data to a webhook. And this is what we need. You see here in Clay, you can go and create a webhook. Okay. I'm sorry. We can create a webhook and to send data to Clay. And in Clay, we are going to enrich, qualify, and send the data back. Okay, so this is what's happening here. So I'm getting the inbound leads, the names and the emails, but we are enriching the company to get more information about their description, what type of business they are. Another thing that I'm doing is I'm checking if they have attended an event previously, and if they have any recent they have been any recent news which is relevant for their sales team. And then what's most important is I am creating a qualification note, right? Asking AI to write a qualification note. And this is huge, guys, because this is usually the job of an SDR. So the SDR usually takes the lead, reads the lead, and do some work with it, find some news. This job is solved. This is a task that is solved with AI. So we can ask AI to write, and you can see the prompt in here. Let me show you. You can see I use Faro Mini, but it's pretty much reading all of the notes that we actually created and writing a summary based on all of the news, on all of the data that we enriched and the data that we got from the form submission. And this is it. And then we have the summary, and then we search for their LinkedIn profile. And by the way, we can even have this as an input in your form, which I have in mind. And then I'm sending that lead to a campaign. And by the way, this is not like an automated messaging campaign, because those are inbound leads. We want to take really good care of them. This campaign is only connecting, it's only sending a connection request on LinkedIn. That's it. Imagine submit a form, and 5 minutes later, someone from the company reaches out to you, sends a connection request. How good does that look like? This is what Display Table is doing. And also, you're also sending that data to Slack just for notification, for the sales team to be accountable of the leads. And that's it, guys. Promises this was going to be a short one, but it's one of the most important workflows that you can set up for inbounds. And yeah, that's it.